I watched one of those Tesla Autopilot crash test videos last week, and it was like something out of a sci-fi movie if the movie was about robots that still kinda suck at driving. The car straight up plowed into a dummy stroller. No hesitation. What's wild is that the car didn't even brake. Not a lurch, not a stutter. It just went. And that's the part that makes you sweat a little, especially if you're the kind of person who naps in the passenger seat while your Tesla handles the highway. Tesla markets Autopilot with that soft sci-fi touch, just enough to make you feel like it's whispering, "I got this." And I get it, the name Autopilot is sexy, but legally and scientifically, this thing is nowhere near self-driving. These crash tests shine a spotlight on the biggest pain point. Autopilot is great until it absolutely isn't. It excels in structured highway environments. But the second you throw a stroller or pedestrian test dummy in the mix, things go full Terminator. The test setup isn't some elaborate demolition derby. It's usually just a Tesla at 30 miles per hour, a foam baby stroller on the road, and a closed track. No distractions. And yet the Teslas consistently hit the stroller like it owes them money. That right there is the scary math. According to data from the NHTSA, Autopilot crashes are rising in correlation with Tesla's market share. From July 2021 to May 2022, there were 273 crashes involving driver assist systems. 70% involved Tesla. That's not subtle. Part of the issue is that people just stop paying attention. We're hardwired to trust silent competence. You see your car steering itself and your brain goes, "Cool, I'll check my texts." But reaction time doesn't exist if your eyes aren't up. One pro tip: if you have Tesla Autopilot on, treat it like a toddler with a kitchen knife. Watch it at all times. Because when it fails with total glorious confidence. It doesn't hesitate. It doesn't second guess. It just keeps going. Now, to be fair, some of this is human error. Teslas warn you to keep your hands on the wheel. There's a flashing pop-up if you're not paying attention. But that system is easy to cheat, and people are fantastically good at cheating. What Tesla needs isn't more features. It's better calibration of expectations. Autopilot doesn't mean nap mode. It means co-pilot with a caffeine addiction who will sometimes fall asleep mid-sentence. Still useful, just not trustworthy with your life. I don't hate Tesla, I love the innovation. But when your car is cosplaying as Batman, it should probably be able to stop for a stroller. You can't have software acting like it's sentient if it can't even recognize a foam baby. If you're thinking about buying one, test drive the tech. Take it to the edge of its comfort zone. Push its limitations, not just its buttons. Because real autonomy is measured not just by what a car can do, but how gracefully it handles failing.